Hey there, you're watching Aquaculture OZ. Dive with us into nerdy, aquaculture tech and fishy insights. Subscribe with us, hit that bell, and never miss another feed. You won't want to get graded out. We'll be talking tuna larval techniques, barramundi growth secrets, integrated farming, land-based aquaponics, feeds and manufacture, and all things aqua-nerd. Expect to hear podcasts, immerse in deep dives, and shorts that mix serious science with big laughs. After all, aquaculture isn't just clever, it's bloody fun.